Question 1. What gauge of pin would a red plastic insert/extract tool be used on? A. 12 to 10. B. 22 to 18. C. 16 to 14. Justification: red plastic tools are typically color-coded for specific contact sizes, and red often corresponds to the smaller gauge range of 22 to 18 AWG. Question 2. What cable would you use where temperatures are going to exceed 200 OC? A. Tinned copper. B. Silver-plated. C. Nickel-plated. Justification: nickel plating offers excellent resistance to oxidation and degradation at high temperatures, making it suitable for cables exceeding 200 degrees Celsius. Question 3. When weighing an aircraft by the weighbridge method, the aircraft is A. Jacked and leveled. B. Only leveled laterally. C. Resting on the wheels. Justification: the weighbridge method involves positioning the entire aircraft on platform scales with its wheels on the platforms to determine the overall weight. Question 4. What test do you do on a bonded join? A. Shear. B. Tension. C. Peel. Justification: peel tests are particularly effective at evaluating the strength and integrity of adhesive bonds. Question 5. Skin wrinkling on the lower surface of a wing is caused by A. Hugging. B. Sagging. C. Tension. Justification: hugging occurs when the wing bends downwards under load, causing compression on the upper surface and tension on the lower surface. Question 6. The maximum temperature for nylock nuts is A. 100. B. 120. C. 160. Justification: nylon nuts have a limited temperature range due to the nylon insert's properties. Question 7. What type of grinding wheel would you sharpen an HSS drill bit on? A. A fine wheel. B. A coarse wheel. C. A green wheel. Justification: fine silicon carbide grinding wheels are specifically designed for hard, brittle materials. Question 8. When using a reamer: A. Use the same. B. Use lard oil. C. No lubricant. Justification: same lubricant is a traditional and effective lubricant used on the drill bit. Question 9. The maximum value of bonding of a secondary structure is A. 1 kiloohm. B. 1 megohm. C. 1 ohm. Justification: for effective electrical bonding and to prevent static discharge and ensure proper grounding, secondary structural components. Question 10. How long should a fireproof cable last in a fire? A. 5 minutes. B. 15 minutes. C. 50 minutes. Justification: fireproof cables are designed to maintain circuit integrity for a limited time under fire conditions.